Domino's is pretty quiet, but we're definitely getting busy in the van. We're definitely getting busy in the van, and the pizza is smelling good. Well, ain't gonna lie, that looks pretty darn good and a bit more appetizing than a Domino's pizza. Whew, I am stuffed. Yes, good people, welcome back to the Meat Manifesto channel. So it's lunchtime. I'm currently in the VWT4. So I think we need to go and get something to eat. I fancy a pizza, so I'm gonna head to Domino's for some stealth fan cooking. Oh yeah. We've arrived at our destination. We are outside Domino's, so I reckon it's time to crack on and make a pizza. Oh yeah. We got all the ingredients for the pizza. I quite like a pepperoni pizza, so I'm going with this spicy pepperoni. We got some grated mozzarella. For the tomato base, I'm just going to use some tomato puree because it's nice and easy in a camper van. I've got some oregano and I've got this pre-rolled pizza dough. So I think that's all the ingredients we need for a pretty stealthy pizza. I'm going to be using the Ridgemonkey. I've never cooked a pizza in one of these before, but I've read you can do it, and well, we'll give it a go. So I'll be cooking this on my gas cooker directly outside Domino's Pizza. So first job, we need to get the pizza dough sorted. I've had this in the fridge on the way down here, so hopefully it's still pretty cool. Let's get this pizza dough unraveled. Now this is going to be a bit sticky. And I've got no flour, so this should be a bit of fun. But I just need to make a piece just for the size of that little grill there. Off, so we should be okay about that. I didn't bring a sharp knife, so this should be fun. We need it. Probably. And then we need to cut another bit off around about there. Oh, she's sticky. Oh, this is going to be fun. So we got a bit of pizza dough in the Ridgemonkey, got it shaped to size. So let's put some tomato puree on for our tomatoey base. Now you can use tinned tomatoes obviously, or some actual tomato sauce, but you know, when you're in a van out camping, you ain't always got them luxuries, so go with what you got. So I like a nice thick layer of this. Oh yeah, just like that. That'll do for the base. Right, so next up, I'm going to put a little bit of oregano on, just to add some flavour to it. Oh yeah. So next up, I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on, just under the pepperoni, and then we'll go in with some pepperoni, and then we'll put on the pepperoni, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good pepperoni. And we go back with some more cheese on top of that. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So this is the spicy pepperoni, so it's got a little bit of a kick to it, which I quite like. Now, I'm not sure how well this cheese is going to melt in a Ridgemonkey, but you know, give it a go, all for research. And then a little bit more oregano on top. Lovely. Lovely. Right, that's that part done. So let's get the gas cooker out and put some heat to the meat. Right, let's get that on the Ridgemonkey and get that cooking. So I need this on a really low heat. So basically the flame hardly going. So we are gently cooking our pizza just outside Domino's. Oh yeah. Looking forward to this one. Well, it is pretty hot in the van, I ain't gonna lie. It's a very warm day. Domino's is pretty quiet, but we're definitely getting busy in the van. We're definitely getting busy in the van, and the pizza is smelling good. Oh yeah. Now I've had this on for about 5 minutes now. That pizza is smelling good, so let's have a quick look. Oh, she's melting the cheese out. Oh, look at that. Okay, she's pretty toasty. Right, so let's turn that heat off. Oh yeah. That's looking good. Cheese is melted. It's obviously not browned on the top, but you ain't going to get that in a Ridgemonkey, but that is looking good and it smells pretty nice. So I'll let it cool down for a minute. Oh, that base sounds good. Crispy. Should have bought my pizza roller. Well, ain't going to lie, that looks pretty darn good and a bit more appetizing than a Domino's pizza. Oh, yeah. So I reckon it's time to try a bit of my pizza. Oh man. Oh, that's good. Alright, it's good. The pepperoni is going everywhere, but oh yeah. Cheers. Oh, for a pre-rolled dough, that is really good. It's crispy. Tomato sauce with the oregano and that hot pepperoni. Oh yeah. It's messy, but oh, fucking hot. Wow. That is good. That is a good pizza. Oh, that's hot. It's hot. It's definitely messy. That is definitely better than Domino's pizza. Oh, lovely. I've even brought some lemonade to wash it down with. Tell you what, it may be small, but that dough is really fluffing. It does fill you up quite a lot. I was thinking about making another one, but I think that is more than enough. So a bit of stealth van cooking outside Domino's, made a pizza, and it tastes pretty darn good. So we're down to the last slice. Do you want a bite? It's pretty good. Yeah. That was definitely needed. That was good. Whew. In fact, it's messy. I'm hot. I've got a bit of a sweat on. Definitely got some pizza sweats going down. But so worth it. Oh yeah, that was good. Whew. We came, we conquered. Cheers. Oh. Now, I've cooked a lot of pizzas in my time. My other half is Italian. And I tell you what, cooking a pizza in that Ridgemonkey, apart from the fact you don't quite get the top browned off, but you know, it heats from underneath, but the dough, the way it cooks, it is very good. So definitely recommend, if you want to make a pizza in your camper van, you're running out of ideas, get a Ridgemonkey. These are very versatile little cooking implements. After that, I am proper stuffed, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm probably gonna have an hour siesta down here, let the food digest, let myself cool down. So I think we'll call it a day on this video. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch all my latest stealth van cooking and stealth camping videos. You can also follow me on Instagram, the Meat Manifesto, and I'll catch you all soon. Thanks for watching. Peace. Whew, I am stuffed.